State's Drain Chaser bacteria-based beverage tray disc is the easiest and most economical way to maintain the drain lines leaving your soda fountain, beer taps, and ice machines. For less than 50 cents per day, the drain lines from soda fountain machines will never be a problem again. The bacteria in the disc helps keep the drain lines clear and free of buildup, and more importantly, eliminating the breeding ground for drain flies. So how does it work? As ice melts and other liquids enter the tray, the disc will slowly dissolve. It releases probiotic bacteria over the course of about 20 days, which digest the buildup caused by sugars, syrups, and condensate from the ice machine. Look how easy it is to start using Drain Chaser discs. Simply remove a disc from the jar. Next, pull back the drainage tray from the soda fountain machine. Place the disc in the tray, be careful not to block the drain, then place the drainage tray back in place. And within minutes, the Drain Chaser disc gets to work. Drain Chaser, another great product by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.